Don't forget again. Use Entity Reminders. The Entity Reminder notification helps you to keep on task while creating reminders for you or other users and set reminders with date, time and notes. Let's see how it works. To create an entity reminder, you simply click on the entity you would like to make a future reminder for. I am clicking on a company, and then I can click on the bell in the upper corner, which will bring up a screen where I can pick who to assign the reminder to, a date, and time that the reminder should be delivered, as well as a note. Once you click on Save, it will then create the reminder, which will be sent to the assigned person's inbox. Entity reminders come directly to the recipient's inbox. Entity reminder notifications allow for on-the-fly reminders, notifications that come directly to your email. Usability throughout Revive wherever you see a bell icon. Watch for more ways to add value to your company with Revive.